that's my squirrel guard, guys. Oh, a racing snake. Yan ba? Nagbabantayan sa eggplant. Yan, ha? At saka yung gawag kong is scarecrow. Hope it work. Yan, meron pa ako rito. So beautiful. So beautiful. The color is kind of brilliant color right now. No, this is smells good. Those meron naman, guys. Meron. Dito yung sitaw natin. Sitaw. Sitaw, guys. Yung sitaw natin. Ayun, na-harvest tayo. Andito yung may snake din yan, guys. Oh, lagot ka, guys. Yan, ha? Singing all natin. Oh. Sitaw. Yan. Malunggay. Yan, malunggay tayo, guys. Ilang puno natin na buhay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 na lang ang natira sa 8. Yan, ha. There we go. Talbos. Yan, talbos yun, guys. Diyan. Ayan, yung sitaw. Oh. I don't know, tomatoes is blocking me. Okay, I'll take this. That's unwanted thing. Ayan, guys. Ito yung saging. Ayan, diba? Meron tayong kasaba. Kasaba, guys. Meron tayo ditong alugbati. Aubi. Bang purple. O, diba? Ayan. Oh, the sunflowers blooming now. Ayan. Ali ang palay natin, guys. Umakyat na. Pakyat pa lang. So, our tomatoes. Yan, hinog na tomatoes. Kuhaan natin yan, guys. Yan. O, diba? There's the most part. Hindi mo ba kalaing hindi yan tinanim? Kusang lang yung kusa lang siyang tumubo dyan. Ay, ganun. This is my favorite spot in here. Oh, nice view. Maglalagay ako ng more flowers, and it's such colorful. Diba? Just colorful. I love the colors. Ayan, di ba? So relaxing. Beautiful.